Hey there, and welcome to my vlog. And this is under human drama. And unfortunately, it started out this morning by me going to work. And when I got to the intersection in town, there was a bunch of cars in front of me, and the lights were on, and people were going around something or someone in the road as they were going in the intersection. And by the time I got there, I'm going to find out there was a kitten in the middle of the road, and I assumed it had been hit, but it was still moving around and, you know, basically going crazy in the middle of the road. And everybody was just going around it, and I said, that can't happen. So I pulled around and I got out and I stopped traffic and I picked it up. So I took it over to my daughter's house. Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is under human nature, I guess. Today on my way to work, found a little black and white kitten in the middle of the road at an intersection. People were going around it, and I was a couple cars back, and I thought, you know, there was a car that was broke down at the beginning of the intersection, so everybody was going around it. Well, the time I got there, a little black kitten running around in the middle of the road, which soon had been hit. So I stopped and picked it up and took it over to my daughter's place, and then I went to work. So on the way home, I picked it up. Let me get a brush. Let me get a brush and get it off of there. Unfortunately, there's a bunch of flies flying around it, and it's got a bunch of
I know. Sorry about your luck, buddy. Sorry, babe. I know. I'm really sorry. I know this is not what you want.
And I called her.
But you know what? Go right on ahead and bitch, because that means you're good.
I called her little female, from what I can figure. And I decided I was going to call her lucky if she survived. So we're still not out of the woods, but this is a good sign. You know, brush that stuff off of me. What's it? We'll find it. She's got a little bit of fly larvae on her.
A lot of fly larvae on her.
Fly larvae on her. At least she's getting a good bath. I'm not sure how bad she was hit, because when I picked her up, she had blood around her nose and in her mouth. And we'll see how this. We called the vet. And of course, they're not going to do anything unless you give them money. A bunch of eggs, isn't there? Don't find any broken skin or anything on her, but we'll clean up the best we can. Go from there. The fly larvae do not want to come off. We'll work on it.
We live down by Dansville.
Again, off the top of my head, I don't know of any in that specific area. You know, if you think it'll be okay to see a regular vet tomorrow, you can try bringing it into a regular vet tomorrow. Are you willing to take responsibility if it's going to be okay, or do you not want it at all?
Well, yeah, we'll take care of it if it can be taken care of. But
If it can be taken care of, we will take care of it, my husband said.
So you'd be willing to take financial responsibility for it and claim it as your own cat then?
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, then, we'd be able to do an exam. It's $125 for an exam through us, just since we're the emergency facility. And then after the full doctor exam, the doctor would speak with you about treatment options and whatever you need.
Okay, so hold on a minute. Okay, so do you want to do that?
Yeah.
All right. He's there anytime, right?
Right, we're 24 hours.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Goodbye. I don't know what's on Care Credit.
No.
I know I don't want to put $2,000 into a kitten that I don't have.
Oh, well, I know. Let's see.
This entire call will be recorded and
No shit.
Thank you for calling Synchrony Bank, the issuer of your Care Credit account. Para continuar en español, presione 5. Making a payment is free using your bank account in this automated system. We are currently receiving high call volume, and your hold time to reach a representative may be greater than 5 minutes. If you are a Care Credit account holder, press 1. If you are, let's get started. Please say or enter the last 4 digits of your account or card number. Thanks. Please say or enter your account or card number.
Okay. So, I'm going to go ahead and take this kitten up to the animal hospital. Now there's two options here. First option is if you're going to do it as a good Samaritan, you're going to take the animal in and then you're just going to leave it. They're going to check it over, see if it's healthy enough to take care of, and then they'll turn it over once it's healthy. They'll turn it over to a animal shelter for adoption. The next option is that you're going to actually take custody, quote, quote, of the animal, and then you're going to be responsible for the bill, put it that way. So, and I know this animal hospital, just to have it seen, is $125. So, it's one of those heartbreaking things, you know. I haven't made up my mind yet.
Let me
Okay.
know.
Okay, well, we're gonna take Miss Lucky here. We got an hour ride up and see what transpires. You know, being a good Samaritan is always the as they say, no good deed goes unpunished. Alright, an hour later, I am now here at the Rochester Animal Hospital. And we're going to take a little girl in and have her taken a look at. rest of this I'm going to leave is just the conversation in place. And I'm not going to have the camera on, but you'll be able to hear what's going on. Emergency hour, 24-hour day. I've got a kitten that was, I saved from the middle of the road this morning.
Okay. Did you call in there?
Yes.
Okay.
Crosby, Patricia, or Dana.
Oh, I don't think okay.
Hi, who is
And
this?
what's the
Hi,
is it
this is Joey.
or-
Cottontail.
Yeah.
So what's going on? Why is she here?
I want to check her out.
Livonia and they
She was
called me.
hit.
She was hit by
She
a
was
car?
hit.
Okay, then I need to call her staff. Triage kitten walk-in staff. Triage kitten walk-in staff. So they're gonna have a doctor look at the kitten right away. She said it was 105. Right. All right.
Yes. Be why?
So they will do that initial exam right away. There's no, she wants to know if you want immediate treatment, it's not necessary. You do have to ask that name or if you want to do this method, check here. If you want them just to do that initial exam, you have to do it for the other check here.
Pick up Sunny.
Right with you.
Dana, Patricia. She was hit this morning. So
Yeah, this would just be, I mean, if you want to do the exam and talk to you, check here.
Right.
If she needs immediate treatment, you want to go and start before talking to you, you check here. All right, oh, go ahead and sign for me. Okay. When you're done. Okay. Hang tight, Linda's gonna get you a room, a clean room, and we are gonna. Come on in. All right. Are you guys planning on you are obviously are taking responsibility for kitten at this point?
Yes.
Okay. Have you filled your information as much as you can about the kitten here?
Okay.
Dr. Barter just wants to know if she feels it's necessary, can she give some pain medication?
Sure.
Okay, thank you. All right, they'll be back with you soon, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Let me turn around. Okay, well, I gotta fill out this little application right now. As you heard, pain medication, that's fine with me. When I come in and said it was hit, as you heard, she automatically had somebody come get her immediately. And then if they got to do something immediately, it's going to cost between $300 and $500 right off the bat. And that's, I believe, above the 125, which is they're going to take a look at it right now. So